What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders doing some end of the day scans today on September the 14th. And right now I am looking at ticker symbol DPHC. And this is the daily chart over the past year of price history. And I'm just going to zoom up a little bit so we get a better view on some things with the more recent price history. All right, so we can see that the bulls are in full control here, having a nice steady uptrend right here. And then really getting some momentum right here. And actually, just to draw this up so it's a little bit clearer. There you go. So right there was pretty much resistance for a few different days, and then with this nice upward trend, we actually had a pattern forming right here, just a nice little rising triangle pattern. And as the range got tighter and tighter, there was an increase of volume, and that increase of volume has really brought the price up to some new nice new highs. However, on today's price action, there's plenty of volume, and it had quite the range, 25 to 30, so a $5 range, and that was quite the move. However, this candle is, in my eyes, more of an indecision candle. This is where it is showing me that the traders and the investors in the stock right now are having mixed feelings about the pricing of this stock. And me saying that is not saying that it won't go higher or not won't go lower. But this is just something to watch because it is not the same as, say, a large, bullish engulfing candle. So it's just something to keep an eye on. And with this type of range, it's very understandable where there would be these long wicks on the side. So let's pull up a more recent and smaller time frame. This is going to be the 10-day, 30-minute. And as you can see, this is where the pattern is still down here before breaking out. And the really nice thing about this is that, as you can see, is it broke out there. Sorry about that, traders. It broke out here. Had that new little high, next little thing, and then another gap up here, and then another little base before onwards to where we're at today. So in today's price action, it looks like 27 has been a area of support. So we're going to be keeping an eye on that 27 area. And then obviously the resistance levels is pretty much going to be, I'm actually say that it's going to be at 28 right here, and then obviously at the highs of 30. So I'm going to be watching to these two levels. So for me in the mornings, I'm going to be watching this. If the price does go below the 27, I'd probably look for a different area to re-enter. Maybe a little bit more of a pullback would be coming, and after this nice impressive move, that would be pretty healthy in my eyes. Maybe a pullback down to maybe this $25 area. This is that. So me personally, if I'm looking to trade this, I don't want to be chasing the price action. I'd be personally wanting a pullback to around the $25 range, and that's where I would start to look to go long or build a long position, and that would be more for a swing trade setup. However, if you're not looking to swing trade this, that's absolutely fine. You're looking to day trade. I would be looking at the $28 range to be broken with an increase of volume, and maybe trade that momentum up and selling off a portion, maybe a quarter, a third, a half of your position, going up into the other resistance levels just to lock in some gains, because this is going to be a quicker trade. But either way, this thing has a great range on it. The bulls are absolutely in control. You can see that the 50 SMA right here has a nice steep incline, and it's just a really nice looking chart. I just would expect maybe a pullback somewhat near the 25 area, and that's where me personally will be looking to go long. Well, traders, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button. It helps me out a ton, so definitely smash that like button. If you have any questions or comments about this ticker, comment below. I'd love to get back to you. And if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to our channel. We're posting these daily, and it's always good to see a new subscriber. And you can always check out our free chat room now. We have a free 30-day free trial to our 24/7 live chat room, where you get to see all the behind-the-scene workings of what our traders are doing with their entries, their trade plans, their profit, their loss. You see it all. So definitely check that out. You can find some information on that on the description below. All right, traders, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, stay profitable.